Kulang ako sa time, guys, so I'm just gonna do multitasking. And for this vlog, I'm going to talk about my CIMB app. For the purpose of this vlog, I intentionally did not make a full payment on my bill. I only made a partial payment because we're going to talk about CIMB's term loan. Term loan is one of the products ni CIMB. In addition to the Revi Credit, yung kanilang revolving credit where you can do a lot of things. Basically, utang products ni CIMB. So one of the things that I love about it is term loan because it offers flexible terms. So kung meron kang Revi Credit kay CIMB, then you can convert or you can get cash that you can pay in installments at low interest monthly, So you can convert part of your CIMB credit or CIMB Revi Credit into a term loan, and I'll show. This is Ate Red and I'm the original Utang Queen, and here we talk about loans. Wala po akong marketing, it's just tamang expectations about loan apps, and of course, mas masarap na pag-usapan yung legit. So this time, we're going to talk about CIMB. So meron pong utang product si CIMB, isa yung si Revi Credit, which you pay monthly, and para siyang credit card without a physical card, and ito naman ay si term loan, which pwede mong kuning as cash loan yung part ng credit limit mo and pay it in installments. So depende kay system and your credit limit kung magkano yung pwede mong i-term loan. So the last time I check, okay, check na lang natin. If you're interested, look for CIMB app. Mada-download po siya sa Google Play Store or sa App Store. Ito po yung hanapin nyo. Huwag nyo pong hanapin si Revi Credit kasi wala pong Revi Credit doon. So CIMB app. Guys, CIMB is a digital bank with a commercial platform. Eh meron siyang finance or pautang products, which is Revi Credit tsaka si ito, term loan, pero depende yan sa kay system kung when siya magiging available sa inyo. You can get a revolving credit up to 250,000 pesos, rates 5% and below. If maganda yung credit history mo, the system can grant you a much lower interest, but for me, ito po yung interest na bigay sa akin. Anyway, the beauty of having Revi Credit is yung term loan. So, punta ka ng login ka sa CIMB app, and then just look for the loans tab. At once you're in CIMB Revi Credit, hanapin po yung button that says term loan. So, yung i-offer ni system sa'yo na pwede mong i-cash loan, na pwedeng bayaran ng hulugan for up to 36 months. Depende po yan sa kay system. So, yung offer niya, say for example, 40,000 pesos Sa 40,000 pesos, pwedeng up to 36 months. Pero pwede mo yung i-change. Kung kailangan mo 10,000 lang, at gusto mo siyang bayaran, tapusin sa loob ng 6 months, na sa inyo na yan. So, lalabas po na, say for example, 10,000 sa loob ng 6 months, syempre, lalagay nyo muna yung purpose ng loan. 1,845.98 po siya per month based on a monthly indicative interest rate of 36%. Annual po yan, so lalabas po siyang 3% per month. Ganun yan. Kung gusto mo naman siyang gawin yung 10,000, bayaran mo sa loob ng 36 months, lalabas, yung babayaran mo every month is 458. But take note that you can only have one term loan at a time. So, dapat pag-isipan mo na ng mabuti to. O, sige, say for example naman dito sa 40,000 at babayaran mo siya sa loob ng 36 months at yung offer ni system sa'yo is 36% per annum, 3% per month, yung babayaran mo monthly is 1,832.15. Kung gusto mo naman siyang mabilis siyang matapos, go ahead, 6 months na siya. Pero sa 40,000 pesos, babayar mo 7,383.90. Ayun. Pero hindi po yan auto-disburse Kasi kailangan mo pang i-click yung continue. And then, papipiliin niya kung saan mo papadala yung fund. Example, GSave. Instant po yung disbursal. Ito yung maganda dito kasi instant at walang disbursement fee. Click continue. Pero hindi pa yan yung final kasi kailangan mo pang i-review lahat. So, ayan. At this point, pwede ka pa rin magbago yung isipan mo. But, review mo na lang lahat. So, di ba kanina pinakita niya 3% yung monthly add-on rate? So, meron ba siyang documentary stamp tax? Pero mababa lang naman guys at wala nang kaltas. I-read. I-click mo yung I have read, fully understood, and agreed to the terms and conditions. I-click mo lang yung continue. Hintay-hintay ka lang ng ilang saglit. Minsan lalabas talaga na sorry, we're unable to proceed. Pero sometimes depende po yan sa internet connection mo. So baka kailangan mo lang siyang ulitin or just try again later. Pero mas maganda guys pag legit yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kaya Actually, yung nakailang term loan na ako dito at 6 months ko lang talaga siya. Kasi syempre, the shorter the term, shorter din yung pagbabayad ng interest mo, di ba? Okay, so pag nag-push through siya, kailangan mong i-enter yung MPIN mo. Kaya guys, mahalaga na hindi po dapat kinakalimutan yung MPIN. Pagkatapos ng MPIN, then ayun, disburse na po siya sa GSave. And from your GSave, pwede mo siyang i-transfer sa GCash mo or sa bank account mo. Nasa inyo na yan. So, sasabihin niya, congratulations. Ito po yung yung na-approve sa'yo or na-disburse sa'yo without fees and charges. So, buo po siyang matatanggap. Payable siya in, depende sa inyo, di ba? 6 months. Ito po yung interest. So, mababa. Less than 5%. Bonggang-bongga, di ba guys? Di ba maganda pa ganon? Ito pa ha, pagkatapos naman disburse yung pera, so syempre mag-update yung app. Andun din po yung details ng app, yung schedule mo, kung kailan mo siya babayaran. So, ayun. So, yung due mo every month sa term loan mo, mapapasama po siya sa magiging monthly mo na babayaran dun sa Revi Credit mo. So, dito sa kay Revi Credit, meron po siyang minimum amount due. Sa ang bill mo, kasama na yung term loan mo, pero syempre, it's always good to pay your dues in full. Otherwise, magkakaroon po yan ng domino effect if puro kang minimum. Yung maganda dito kasi pagkatapos mo mag-term loan, meron ka pa rin matitirang credit limit na pwede mo namang gamitin kung gusto mong i-virtual card, i-bills payment, i-transfer. And syempre, like I said, hindi ka na makakapag-term loan hanggat sa hindi mo matapos yung current mong term loan. And I chose 6 months. So, ayun. Ito yung nagustuhan ko kay CIMB na Revi Credit product. So, that's it guys. Mas maganda talaga na legit tayo umuutang. And I think this app or this utang product is way better than mga OLA na pa 7 days lang or 30 days. At least dito installment. So, just choose your terms wisely. And since legit siya and it's a bank, it's a submitting entity po sa CIC. So, kung hindi kayo makabayad or malate kayo, meron po siyang effect sa ating credit history. So, dapat pinag-iisipan po yung ganito. So, yun lang. And I hope you learned something from this short video. And I will see you on my next vlog. Comment lang kung may nakalimutan ako. Bye-bye!